you guys? It's Tiana. So I'm back with another YouTube video. So I decided with this video that I wanted to do something different. I always do like a dramatic look. One of my coworkers said that. So I decided that I wanted to do like a soft glam look. I don't know if you guys think it's soft glam, but I do. Everything I use is in this look is drugstore. So everything, this is $3. So like everything is below everything's below like I think like 15 or 10 or $15. So if you want to see how I got this look, I just ran up the stairs. Sorry, I had to get my food. But if you want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. Okay, so let's get right into it. So the eyeshadow palette that I used is from e.l.f. It's the e.l.f. bite-size eyeshadow palette. It is only $3, so that's good, and it's very pigmented. The color I used at first was a light pink, but it didn't really come out pigmented, so I used like a darker shade. So you see me take like a darker mauve shade on top of that one just to make it more pigmented. Okay, so next I took both of the shimmer shades in that little eyeshadow palette. I put it in the center of my eye as a halo, like give a little halo effect. And then I went back in with that mauve shade again, just to soften and blend out that shimmer shade. So I got to show you guys the primers I've used. Every time I record a video, I always prime my face before. So you guys get to see what primers I use. So I use the matte putty primer from e.l.f. and also the oil control lotion from e.l.f. as well. And it gives me like a great base. Like the pictures I've been taking lately and like the photos on Instagram, my skin has been looking like very airbrushed, I feel like. So definitely recommend these two as a combo. So for foundation, I use the NYX Born to Glow foundation in Sienna. As you know, this is my favorite foundation, but it's also a drugstore find. So this foundation is $10. You can get it at CVS or you can get it at Ulta. I definitely recommend this foundation, as you know. So yeah, it's the best drugstore foundation I've used in a while. For concealer, I decided to use the e.l.f. Hydrating Concealer in Deep Olive. At first, I was a little skeptical about it because it was very yellow. So I was like, oh my God, how is this going to blend out right? But it came out really, really good. Definitely recommend this if you like someone like me who has dry skin. This is perfect. And then next I took the NYX foundation stick in Deep. They don't sell this anymore, but it is a drugstore find. Well, was a drugstore find. I love this foundation stick. It gives like the perfect contour shade for me. But unfortunately they don't sell it anymore. So when they sold out, I like stocked up on so many of them. So yeah, definitely recommend this. Something that's like compared to it, definitely the Juvias Place foundation stick foundation stick as well. They're really good, and but not drugstore. So for setting powder, I use the Maybelline Fit Me setting powder in Deep. I haven't used Maybelline Fit Me in years, like 2016, 2015. I haven't used that in a while, but it's still good. I liked it a lot. I forgot how much I used to love it, so I might be using it again. So yeah, it came out really good, and it didn't have any flashback. I was worried about that because back in the day, everyone was using it, but it gave off flashback for me. Maybe I was doing something wrong back in the day, but it gave off flashback for me. Now, Juvia's Place I know is not a drugstore brand, but I love how this eyeshadow is a great bronzer for like deeper skin tones. I love it, so that's why I used it, because I don't really have a bronzer or a contour shade that is drugstore, like a powder that is a drugstore brand. So I use Juvia's Place instead. So I took the 𝙼𝚊𝚔𝚐𝚎 multi stick in Luminous Berry. I really like this. I didn't use any highlight in this tutorial. Just that blush was enough because it had that luminous effect in it, hence Luminous Berry. I definitely recommend this. It's really creamy, and I've never used a cream blush before, but I'll definitely be trying it again. So for setting spray, I use the Continuous Setting Mist from Morpher and the Luminous Setting Spray from Morpher. I didn't put what lashes I used, but I used the Kiss lashes and Garter. And then I also used the Kiss liner again, the glue liner. And then for my under eye lashes, my bottom lashes, I use L'Oreal Telescopic mascara, just to give me a little length. So with this lip combo, I didn't use any gloss, but I used the NYX Chestnut Lip Liner and the NYX Soft Matte in Abu Dhabi. This is like one of my favorite lip combos. So I took that, and that's drugstore as well. And this is the finished look. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll definitely see you guys in my next one. And I hope you enjoyed. Bye.